How to fix Google Chrome slow downloading? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, clear browser cache. For that, you have to tap and hold browser and then I button to access the app info section of your browser. After that, tap storage uses and then tap clear cache. Old cache files can slow down your browser, including the downloads, so make sure you clear the cache and, if possible, clear the data as well. If there is any extension running in the background that also interferes your download speed, simply you have to click the three dots and then click on more tools than extensions if you are on your PC and then disable or remove any unnecessary extensions. Once you have followed the step, check whether the downloading has been speed up or not. If not, you have to update your Google Chrome. Simply go to Play Store on your device and then search for the Chrome or any browser that you have been using. If you see the updates of Google Chrome, tap on it and update it to the latest version. Once done, you need to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. A slow internet connection can directly impact your download speeds. If your internet is not working well, you can switch between Wi-Fi or Ethernet or restart your router to improve the connectivity. So, by clearing cache, updating Chrome and adjusting settings like parallel downloading, you can significantly improve the download speeds in Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.